Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of my video on how to install crochet braids. It's also a part of a series on protective hair styling. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to crochet the hair from start to finish. So it's very simple to crochet, especially if you already have the basic knowledge on how to use the crochet needle. It's not hard to use the crochet needle. If you've not done it before, there are some other videos that explain better on how to use the crochet needle. And if I can do the crochet braids, then you can, because I don't have any experience in hairdressing. So it's very simple and beginner friendly. So I wouldn't be talking much, just enjoy the video. So as I mentioned earlier in the previous video, the pattern with which you do the cornrows will also determine how the crochet hair will fall. So if you notice, the braid that is a bit curved, like a right angle, if you notice, the crochet was falling towards her face. So that was the reason why I made it angled. That's from left to right and all the way back. I hope you understand. I used over 3/4 of a pack, so I didn't finish a whole pack of the hair. So it's so very cheap. So I'm all done. I'm just using gel to lay her edges. And I'm also going to blend her hair with the extensions. So it's very simple to do, and it did not take up to an hour. I think the major time that I spent was doing the cornrows. It's very simple to crochet. hair. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Happy holidays.